All right.
Girls bringing me coffee.
R4. Factoring polynomials. All right, so not something we necessarily need to write down, but what does it mean for something to be factored completely?
It's as little as you can get it.
Okay, so everything is as simple as possible. Greatest common factor.
Big. I'm not good at vocab.
Well, if I wanted you to explain to me what the greatest common factor of a problem is, what would you be doing to figure out what it is?
I don't know. But those chips, those plain hot chips look good.
They look scrumptious.
It's for volleyball. I know. But I just was not even know. In case you didn't know.
Did your mom get them?
Yeah.
All right, so the greatest common factor is the largest thing that you can take out of the function. All right, so then just a couple of the methods that we have for factoring. We can do factor by grouping. And then we have, just a couple different special types. So we kind of mentioned these yesterday, but the perfect square trinomial is, we have two options, x squared plus 2xy plus y squared equals x plus y squared, or x squared minus 2xy plus y squared equals x minus y squared. And then if we were to factor binomials, so that's factoring a trinomial. Factoring binomials, we can use the difference of squares. Which would be like x squared minus y squared is equal to x plus y times x minus y. We also have a difference of cubes. So if you had like x cubed minus y cubed, that's equal to x minus y times x squared plus xy plus y squared. And then the sum of cubes, if you had x cubed plus y cubed, that's equal to x plus y times x squared minus xy plus y squared. And so a trick for remembering the sum and difference of cubes that someone taught me one time a couple years ago is SOAP. And this stands for same, opposite, always positive,
Gosh dang it.
so what that means is whatever you start with, this first parentheses is the same sign. The second sign is the opposite sign. So whatever you started with, it's opposite. And then the last one is always positive.
Okay.
All right.
We have a quiz.
Yeah, you ready for it?
The only other factoring method that we really know is the arch method. That's the only other one that we really have to
Arch.
use.
I would cut it. I can't deal
No,
with
look
stuff
up.
like that.
Do you know what I'm talking about?
Dude,
I'm supposed to look up and see it.
No, like
there's one piece of hair that's longer than the rest of them.
you know it's there. You told me about it before, but I want to.
That happened, like, I got my hair cut since then.
I got
It's
my
just
hair
that one
cut.
piece of hair.
I got my hair cut.
Or it's on the wrong side. It's also possible.
Oh, I hate that. I would just cut
Anyway,
it.
it's
I can't,
not
I
Okay.
can't deal with stuff like that.
The one other thing that the book brings up is factor by substitution. I don't remember if we did that in here the other day or if that was one of the other classes, where you have something that is like in parentheses and you replace it with another variable and then you rewrite it back in at the end. I think we had one like that on that pre-worksheet thing.
Yes, you're right.
So anyways, that's another method that we have.
Oh, I love substitution. That was my favorite.
Yeah, it was fun.
All right, so that's all the notes.